In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a GoToMeeting session on your laptop with audio. We'll walk through each step to ensure you capture everything important in your meeting, including clear audio. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to GoToMeeting. If you're a regular user, you might have it bookmarked, but if not, simply type in the URL to access the site. Once there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you're joining an already scheduled meeting, have your meeting ID handy. Enter it to directly access the session you're meant to attend. After you've accessed the meeting platform, look for the option that allows you to start a meeting. This is typically found on the GoToMeeting dashboard. Click on the Start button to initiate a new session. For meetings you've scheduled in advance, simply find your meeting in the list and select Start My Session. This automated process prepares your environment for hosting or attending a meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Your focus should be directed towards the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Essential Recording option. This button is usually depicted with a red dot or a record symbol, making it easily identifiable. Go ahead and click this button when you're ready to start capturing your meeting. As soon as you press the record button, look for a recording indicator. This confirmation might appear as a small flashing dot or a message ensuring you that the session is being recorded properly. It's a reassuring sign that everything you say and hear will be captured. If during the meeting you need a momentary pause, don't worry. Clicking the recording button once more will allow you to pause the recording process. This is particularly useful if there's a break, a side conversation, or a need for privacy during your session. When you're ready to continue, just hit the record button again to resume recording seamlessly. At the conclusion of your meeting, it's crucial to allow the recording to save automatically. Do not abruptly close the session or shut down your laptop. Instead, patiently wait as GoToMeeting processes and stores your recording. It will typically save the file in your computer's default GoToMeeting recordings folder, making it easy for you to access, review, and share later. These straightforward steps ensure that you've successfully recorded your GoToMeeting session with audio on your laptop. The recording process is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to focus on the content of your meeting without worrying about technical complexities. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope this helps enhance the efficiency of your virtual meetings.